Domusic.ai is a brand new AI software that's just hit the market, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking to get ahead with the latest AI technology, this review will give you all the insights you need, so stay tuned until the end because we're diving deep into its features and real potential. First, what exactly is Domusic.ai? It's an AI-powered tool designed to help you generate high-quality music effortlessly. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or music producer, this software promises to change the way you work with sound. Imagine having a virtual composer at your fingertips, creating everything from background scores to full-on tracks with just a few clicks. Now let's talk about ease of use. One of the most impressive things about Domusic.ai is its user-friendly interface. You don't need any prior experience in music production to start using it. The platform is designed to be intuitive, with a simple dashboard that guides you through the process. Even if you've never touched a digital audio workstation before, you can still produce professional-sounding music in minutes, but how good is the AI at actually creating music? The answer is, it's incredibly advanced. Domusic.ai leverages cutting-edge machine learning algorithms that analyze various musical styles and patterns. You can input a brief description of what you're looking for, and the AI will generate a track based on that. This makes it perfect for people who need customized music, but lack the time or resources to hire a professional composer. Another cool feature is the genre versatility. Whether you're into classical, jazz, hip-hop, or electronic music, Domusic.ai can adapt to nearly any genre. This flexibility is what sets it apart from many other music generation tools. It's not just for one niche or type of sound. This software is built to cater to a wide range of musical tastes. Something worth mentioning is the integration capabilities. Domusic.ai doesn't just exist in isolation. You can integrate it with other popular platforms like DAWs, digital audio workstations, or video editing software. This opens up a lot of possibilities, especially if you're working on a project that involves multiple tools. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. However, no software is perfect, and Domusic.ai does have some limitations. While its AI is impressive, it still has a bit of room for improvement when it comes to creating truly human-like nuances. Some users have reported that certain tracks can sound a little robotic or lack the spontaneity of a live musician. But for the most part, it's a solid tool for creating high-quality music with minimal effort. One of the most appealing aspects of Domusic.ai is its pricing structure. Unlike many AI tools that require expensive subscriptions, Domusic.ai offers a free trial. You can test it out and see if it fits your needs without committing to anything upfront. If you like what you see, you can then opt for one of their paid plans, which provide even more features and customization options. Finally, if you want to give Domusic.ai a try, you can access the free version using the link in the description below. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools, I'm confident you'll find this one worth exploring. If you're serious about music production, content creation, or simply experimenting with AI-powered software, Domusic.ai could be a game changer. In the description below, you'll also find links to my recommended AI software picks, which I've carefully selected after testing countless options in the market. So, don't miss out on the chance to level up your AI toolkit. That's it for today's review. Let me know what you think about Domusic.ai in the comments, and don't forget to check out the free trial via the link below.